Can you tell me a little bit about this St. Patty's Gay meetup?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So we are going to go to Four Seasons Skate Park in Milwaukee.
That sounds like a really cool way to say Milwaukee. I love that. So we're going there and we're meeting up with what? Quad Spot,
CIB
Milwaukee,
and All Skate.
So excited.
It's going to be a vibe.
A trifecta. So I'm just like really excited. I have never skated in the Midwest before, so this is totally a vibe, and I can't wait to meet a bunch of skaters, and I can't wait to show you all the cool skaters that I meet, and also I cannot wait to skate at this skate park that I always see on the internet. So let's go. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you like roller skating, or if you want to like roller skating, or if you think it's interesting, you want to be a part of this party family called the Roller Skater Club, then go ahead and hit subscribe and click that notification button. And yeah, you'll get notified when I post, which is every week. And you should head on over to cheerstothequeers.com because there's some really cool stuff there that I curated, some that I made, and buying anything there supports me, my little family, and this wonderful YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's go to the meetup! Before we go to this meetup though, we have to go to the Mars Cheese Castle because I need to learn about Midwest culture.
We're going to culture you. You're going to get cheese curds.
Which are cultured, right? Or are they uncultured?
Girl, don't ask me about science.
Okay, anyways, want to come with us? Too bad. If not, skip ahead a little bit. Guys, look at this. It's an actual castle. And it's what, full of cheese?
Yes, it's the Mars Cheese Castle. It's a castle of cheese and beer and Kringle and all things Wisconsin, Midwestern, hearty, very healthy.
Can't wait. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at these little cheeses that are shaped like things. It's a tractor. It's a cow. It's a beer. What? It's a castle. This is wild. I don't understand it here. I don't fit in. Apparently, I have to prove to you I'm in Wisconsin. I have cheese on my head.
Eat cheese and die.
Okay, wait. That cheese was really good. I love it here. I hope you enjoyed the stop. Thank you so much for driving.
I got you.
I really like that thing that you have in the mirror. What's that?
I got this on a really cool website called Cheers to the Queers.
Oh, wow. It catches the light so nicely.
It makes me not have road rage. That's a lie. It makes road rage a little prettier.
Love it. This is a close-up of my eyeshadow. It took me a very long time to do this, but I did it.
Hours at Mars Cheese Castle. Heading to Milwaukee now.
Check out the murals in this place. They're sick. much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and head on over to cheerstothequeers.com and buy cool stuff because there's all sorts of cool new stuff, and I'm so excited. Yay. And most importantly, cheers!